Lesson 3, Gray Matter and White Matter. Before we begin, here's a question. Is the nervous system made only of neurons? No. Most students think neurons are the only cells in the nervous system, but that's not true. There are two types of cells. You can see the code in our conversation history. Neurons send messages. Neuraglia support and protect neurons. Think of a hospital. Doctors, neurons, nurses, cleaners, technicians, security, electricians equals neuraglia. Without the support staff, the hospital cannot function. Similarly, neurons cannot survive without neuraglia. What are neuraglia? Neuraglia, or glial cells, are supporting cells of the nervous system. They do not conduct nerve impulses like neurons. Their jobs include supporting neurons, nourishing neurons, protecting neurons, forming myelin, repairing nervous tissue, defending against infection. Types of neuraglia in the CNS, there are 4 important glial cells. 1. Astrocytes. Imagine a star. Astrocytes have many branches that look like a star. Functions: support neurons, supply nutrients, help repair damaged tissue, help form the blood-brain barrier, BBB. Blood-brain barrier, BBB. The brain is very delicate. Not every substance in the blood should enter it. The BBB acts like a security gate, allowing useful substances, oxygen, glucose, in, while blocking many harmful ones, toxins, many microbes, and some drugs. Astrocytes help maintain this barrier. Number 2, oligodendrocytes. You learned these in the last lesson. Their main function is form the myelin sheath in the CNS. Remember, CNS oligodendrocytes, PNS Schwann cells. 3. Microglia. Think of them as the soldiers of the CNS. When bacteria, viruses, or damaged cells appear, microglia attack them, remove dead tissue, clean the brain. They're the immune defense of the CNS. 4. Ependymal cells. These line the ventricles of the brain, central canal of the spinal cord. Their main job is related to cerebrospinal fluid, CSF. They help in the production and movement of CSF. Neuroglia of the PNS. The PNS has mainly Schwann cells. Functions: produce the myelin sheath around peripheral nerves. Help regenerate damaged peripheral nerves. This is why peripheral nerves can often regenerate better than nerves in the brain or spinal cord. Gray matter versus white matter. This is one of the most commonly asked Viva questions. Let's make it very simple. Why is gray matter gray? Because it contains neuron cell bodies, dendrites, synapses. There is little myelin, so it looks gray. Why is white matter white? Because it contains myelinated axons. Myelin is rich in fat, lipid, giving it a white appearance. Easy comparison: gray matter, white matter, cell bodies, myelinated axons, synapses present, few synapses, processes information, carries information, gray in color, white due to myelin. Where are they located? This is where students often get confused. In the brain, you can see the code in our conversation history. Think of a coconut. Brown shell equals gray matter, outer cortex. White inside equals white matter. In the spinal cord, the arrangement is the opposite. You can see the code in our conversation history. The gray matter inside has an H or butterfly-shaped appearance in cross-section. Exam tip: if you see an H-shaped gray region in a spinal cord diagram, that's the gray matter. Nerve fibers. A nerve fiber is essentially an axon with or without a myelin sheath. There are 2 types. Myelinated fibers covered by myelin, fast impulse conduction, appear white. Unmyelinated fibers, no myelin sheath, slower impulse conduction. Clinical correlation. Suppose you touch a hot pan. Which nerve carries the impulse faster? Myelinated nerve fibers, because the impulse travels rapidly by saltatory conduction, jumping from one node of Ranvier to the next. Summary diagram. You can see the code in our conversation history. High-yield Viva questions. Try answering these yourself. 1. What is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system? 2. What is the main function of astrocytes? 3. Which cell forms the myelin sheath in the CNS? Which cell forms the myelin sheath in the PNS? 5. Which glial cell acts as the macrophage of the CNS?